short video. Right now, we're inside the Facebook Ads Manager, and I'm about to break down why every salon needs to be running ads. And that revolves around this number right here is reach. And this basically means how many people are essentially aware that your business even exists. And why this number is so important is because reach trickles down to traffic. So clicks over to your website. Now notice how many people we have to reach 27,194. We have to reach 27,000 people in order for close to 1,000 people to at least click on the link. 1,000 people saw the ad or saw the creative or saw the business and said, hey, I'm somewhat interested. Let me click. So 988. Out of 988, we got 57 appointments. So again, it took close to 1,000 people to land on our website to get just 57. And I don't want to say just, that's a good amount of people, especially in 30 days, to get 57 people to book an appointment. Now, let me pull out a calculator just to give you some perspective. So if you're a salon owner or a hairstylist and your complaints like, oh, I'm not getting clients, it's the recession and it's all it is BS. It's not. It's in the numbers. All you have to do, let me pull up the right tab. All you have to do is go to your, for those of you that are solely relying on Instagram, go to your insights and go to your reach. It'll look something like this. This is the back end of my account. Last 30 days, we reached 16,000 people. I haven't been running that much ads in the January. The last 90 days, I think we reached close to like a 500,000 people. But anyway, let's go back. So where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Right here. Give me 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, here we go. So we're gonna divide this. We're gonna say, let me get rid of some of these tabs. Here we go. So we're just gonna use 27,000. 27,000 divided by 57 appointments. So we reach, remember, 27,000 people to net us 57 appointments. So this is about to tell us how many people we need to reach to get one appointment equals. So in theory, we have to make 473 people aware that our business exists, whether they're sending 473 DMs or texting 473 people or passing out 473 business cards. In theory, that's about how many people we need to reach to get one appointment. So go through and look at your analytics and see how many people you reach. Divide that by the number of appointments you got, and that's going to tell you how many people you need to reach in order to get one appointment. Now, the whole purpose of this video is, hey, why do I need ads? We need ads because ads do this on autopilot. It gets us the reach, the clicks, and the appointments all on autopilot, all with us just exchanging money. As you can see here, it's costing this client on average $15 per booked appointment. That's a very good deal. This is for a $99 service. So she's exchanging $15 for someone to come sit in her chair for $99. That's a very good deal. So essentially this pays for itself. Not only is she exchanging $15 for the $99 appointment, you have to think about the lifetime value of that customer. If the customers are coming in once per month on average times 12 months, in reality, she's exchanging $15 for $1,200 in a year, which is a very good deal. So this is exactly why you should be running ads, because it gets you this reach on autopilot so you can go ahead and focus on your business and not have to worry about creating content and posting and all that boring stuff. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video for a playlist that shows you how we use funnels and ads to get your salon fully booked. Check that out. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up. Also, comment any questions you may have in the comment section. Thanks for watching.